We're at Orlando Hamcation at the Youth on the Air booth. Let's go talk to Neil. And this is Neil Rapp. Neil, how are you doing this morning?
Doing great, Steve. Good to see you.
Yeah, it's fantastic to be here and see everything. I see you've got the booth going this morning.
Yes, we do, and you might even see some video of some kids you know.
Some kids I know very well, yeah. So you've got Canada coming up this year. Where in Canada are you?
Yeah, so we're going to be in Ottawa, Canada this year. In July 16th through the 21st, and we've got a full house. We're fully booked and a wait list already. So we've got a lot of interest, and things are coming together, and everything's looking good for our first camp to be in Canada.
Excellent. What are some of the things on the event schedule?
So we're trying to change it again so that we're not doing the same thing every year. So we've kind of downsized some of our other things, but we're going to do a POTA activation. We actually have for POTA people, we have a twofer coming up. We're actually near a canal, and the whole canal is on the registry, and then there's another part there adjacent to it. So
nice.
We're going to get a twofer. So we're going to be doing that. We're still looking at doing the high altitude ballooning and the satellites and that kind of thing. We won't have the amusement park this year, but we have a water park. We'll be going to the Diefenbunker Cold War Museum, which is where the Prime Minister would go in the event of a nuclear disaster, and they've turned it into a museum. And they have a ham radio station there. In the bunker, so we'll be taking a tour of that and operating some from there, and possibly even operating remote out of there for a couple of our stations for our special event.
Okay, so you've got a full house this year, and then coming up next year, 2024, you have a location set?
We do not have a location set. We have a couple of ideas, but we're kind of waiting to see how this works out before we make that final call on it. But it'll be fairly close by, I think, one more time. And
in
then
the U.S.?
U.S., Canada.
Okay.
And then we really want to try to spread to Central America and South America, and we're getting some headway down there. So.
Okay.
Hopefully we'll be able to expand and have these camps all over. So that's the hope.
Where can people find out more information?
Youthontheair.org. Just go there, and you can find all kinds of resources there for the camp, as well as our December YOTA Month special event and links to other things for youth.
Excellent. Thank you, Neil.
So, thank you.